Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set your PlayStation 4 to automatically turn off after an amount of time. So on the home screen here, let's go up to the top and then go to the right to settings. And then scroll on down until we get to where it says the power options right here. So power saving settings. Then on the top, let's go to set time until PlayStation 4 turns off. And you will have two options under here. You'll have for media playback. This is for when the PlayStation 4 is playing videos or songs, and I have mine after 1 hour. So if you leave your controller just to the side and you're not touching it for 1 hour when watching like a video or a song, it's going to turn off your PlayStation 4. So I might actually want to put this to 3 hours because most movies are about 2 hours long. Then for general, if I'm playing like a game or an application and my controller is just sitting there and I'm not using it after 1 hour in the game, my PlayStation 4 will turn off. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.